Well, welcome back to Channel Ron. Today I'm going to be working on the 2007 Toyota Prius. The problem is the blower motor is gone, so went ahead and purchased a new one. We're going to go ahead and pop that in. It's relatively warm out today, so hopefully my camera doesn't shut down like it did in one of my other videos because it's right in the direct sun. So let's go ahead and try to get this done as quickly as we can. All right, first thing we need to do is get rid of the glove compartment. Just like all vehicles, you're just going to pull the tabs one way or another. There might be a little shock type of thing here. You need to get rid of that as well. Pull that out of the way. And then underneath here, there's going to be a cover. So get a screwdriver or something to pop that cover off. And I think just a couple of tabs here. They're all a little bit different. And we got some critters that look like I'm kind of moving in. So we'll kind of dump that out there. Get rid of that. And then we should have a couple of Phillips screws to take this panel off. But before we do that, we need to take this module out. We had a screw right there. We had one down there. And we had a couple up here. And again, this is awfully hard to do while you're filming. There's just no room in here at all. All right, so that should be all the screws. So now what we need to do is pull that out of there. Don't forget this little clip right here. Some more signs of critters been moving in. So the motor is held in with 3 Torx screws. Before we do that, let's go ahead and unplug the motor itself, just like that. Get that out of there. Now, let's take the motor out. Kind of hold on that motor a little bit while you take that last screw out. Let's pull that out of there. Okay, there's the old motor. Got some leaves and so forth in there. Doesn't sound bad. All right, so before we put the new one back in, it doesn't come with a cable, so we've got to take this cable out. So we've got to reach in there and unclip it. Just like that. So we're going to unplug that, and then we're going to plug this in to the new one. So take the new motor, take the old cable, and go ahead and plug that in. There. Ready to put it in. So let's go ahead and reverse the process. Well, I guess I should have inspected this when I took it out of the package. It's actually missing the whole side here to screw it in, like right here. So it's damaged. So we've got to send this back before we can continue on. So this project is on hold until next time. Okay, welcome back to Channel Ron. Where we left off is we had to send the old one back because one of the ears was broken. If you remember, about a week ago when I was installing this, went to put it up underneath, and one of the ears was gone. I should have checked this when it came out of the package, but I didn't. It's the second time that has happened to me, so keep that in mind. If you order a blower fan, make sure all the ears are there because sometimes they come with one of the ears dropped off. So let's pick up where we left off last time. Let's go ahead and reverse the process. I'm going to go ahead and plug the power cord back in, just like we did last time. And it pretty much only goes one way. Plug that in, just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and install it. Okay, now we got the fan in. Let's go ahead and put this bottom cover in. So there's a total of 5 screws. We got one in the back, one on the side, one on this side, and then we have one in the front, one right here, and then we have one right there. So that is all set. Now we're going to go ahead and put this module back in, and that just slips in the back like this. And then we have 2 screws that hold it in. Now we'll put the bottom cover on. Put the glove compartment back in. And there it is. So it took me a little bit longer to put this all back in because, believe it or not, it took me a little bit to remember where all the screws went. But once I got the number of screws that went into each spot, then I was pretty much all set. Well, that's pretty much how you replace the blower motor in an 07 Prius, Toyota Prius. I hope this helps you. I kind of went through it a little bit quicker installing this. We've got a thunder shower, looks like it's coming this way, so I'm trying to get through this as quickly as I can. Thanks an awful lot for watching, and we'll see you next time.